That's perfect. That's just what I wanted.
Yeah, me too.
Amazing.
So cool. You're Woody.
Look at Forky.
You could have put Timon and Pumbaa.
You're not funny. You're not funny.
1, 2, 3.
There's a wee pair of poofs.
Jesus!
Come on.
Okay.
You're so handsome.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, the mic of course hold all.
Oh, he's a prick.
I'm going to kill him. I'm going to kill him.
It's now my absolute delight to now declare you're legally married and pronounce you husband and husband. You may kiss.
Oh, my mouth's dry as a camel.
Same. I can't actually feel the back of my throat.
What's under this towel?
Got your flap.
But what's in your spotting?
I see.
Hi.
Hello.
So beautiful.
Oh, hello, handsome. Good thing they didn't have the big one.